This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes, creators of the world's best repair manuals. Fix your car or truck the right way with our accurate and reliable information at your side. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete online manual at Haynes.com.
Pull the hood release lever located on the driver's side kick panel. Lift the hood safety latch and raise the hood upwards. Then support it with the prop rod. Loosen the cable clamp nut and disconnect the cable from the negative battery terminal first. Then disconnect the cable from the positive battery terminal. Loosen the battery hold-down clamp nuts at the top of the battery. Disengage the hooks at the front and rear of the battery. Then remove the hold-down clamp. Also remove the battery cover, if equipped. Lift out the battery. Be careful, it's heavy. If the battery tray needs cleaning, remove the tray and clean it before installing the new battery. Install the battery onto the battery tray. Install the battery cover. Then the hold-down clamp. Engage hooks at each side. Then tighten the clamp nuts securely. Connect the positive cable to the positive terminal on the battery. Tighten the nut securely, then secure the protective cover over the positive terminal, if equipped. Connect the negative cable to the negative terminal of the battery. Tighten the nut securely.